Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Stellar from Bitrue to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Stellar tokens away from exchanges, this guide is perfect for you. By the end, you'll have your assets safely in your Arculus Wallet, giving you full control. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitrue account with Stellar, XLM, in it, and your Arculus Wallet app installed and ready to go. Remember, in 2025, crypto security is tighter than ever, so double-check that your wallets are updated to the latest versions to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your Stellar balance. Click on Withdraw next to Stellar. This will open a form where you'll enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. In your Arculus Wallet app, go to the Stellar section and generate or view your wallet address. It's crucial to copy this address accurately. Mistakes here could mean lost funds forever. Pro tip. Always verify the address by comparing it character by character. Step 3. Back on Bitrue, paste your Arculus Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Select the Stellar network. Make sure it's the correct one, like the Stellar network, to prevent any transaction failures. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any minimum limits or network fees, which might be around 0.00001 XLM in 2025. Step 4. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication. Once submitted, your transaction will be processed. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the arrival of your Stellar tokens. If you run into issues, like delayed transfers, reach out to Bitrue or Arculus support, and always use official channels to stay safe from scams. There you have it. That's how you transfer Stellar from Bitrue to Arculus Wallet in 2025. It's a simple process that boosts your crypto security. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.